Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a little project share. So I showed in my previous video that I had made some ATC cards, and that link will be below. But these are the ATC cards I made, and I had a whole bunch of scraps left over. As you can see, I had just cut out a whole bunch of stuff from these dies, and I was just playing with them, and I said, what else can I make? So what I did was I made just some cards. So I made some 3x3s, and here's the little envelope I just put. That's a white one up there if you can't see it. And that's the outside handmade envelopes. And then these are just the cards. They're all blank on the inside. But again, somebody can use these to, and these are 110 pounds, and then there's also in the inside of the blank mat as well. They can stamp and put whatever they want in it, and that just says hello. And that pretty purple. Sorry about that mirror. It's a little reflective, that gold. Same thing, all black. And so just another set of those cards. They kind of go along with the ATCs that I had made. And then I made some 4.5 by 5 from A2s, and again I just put some, I made the handmade envelope, and I just put some of the, in the corners on that one. Make it a little decorative, and of course when I make my envelopes I always put the stuff for healing stuff on it, the tape. But then I just make these just plain and simple, and again matted in the inside so that you can put whatever sentiment you want. And my favorite colors. And I think they just turned out cute, plain and simple, but I like them. And just put a little bling on them. So that's 2 sets of cards. Again, one A2, Lord. And then the 3x3 note cards. So, in different colors. So just using up some of my scraps. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care, God bless.